It is beautiful out here this morning. The temps are cool, no mosquitoes. Saw a couple deer coming down here. Feels so good getting back out here. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we got the trusty sauce here. So, I have come out this morning because, as most of you are aware, I haven't been out in a while. I've been really busy the past, really like 6 weeks, and it is not a good thing. Sometimes you gotta just like forget everything else and go out and be in nature. Well, I do anyways. I don't know about you. There's nothing great going on out here. There's no mist. There's no like frost or anything like that. Nothing exciting, but I think once the sun comes up just a little bit more, we'll get a little bit more light on this trail. I am shooting in portrait mode. Have my Sony a7 IV. I have the Sigma 24-70, which I usually use for recording, but I wanted to use it to take photos. I think the sun's gonna have to come up higher than I thought, so I'm just gonna go around and take some handheld shots. Well, it's too dark for handheld. Let's just play around while we're waiting. All right, so I have a little shot lined up here. We have like these ferns here in the foreground. I'm getting just a little bit, I don't know, hopefully you guys can see that well there. I'm getting a little bit of the tree right here and a little bit of the trail over on the side right over here. I guess I'm just trying to like capture the whole scene, but at the same time focus in really kind of on the ferns, and that's where my focus point is at. I'm at 3.5 ISO 160. It's a little bit dark, early morning, I'm in the woods, so not a lot of light, but I don't want to go too slow on the shutter speed because there is a tiny bit of wind. Just make sure I'm focused here. Should have my 2-second delay on, which I don't, so let's do that now. So focused in, 2-second delay, and that's it. See how that came out. Oh wow, that is razor sharp. The sun is coming up right over there. There's a lot of light going down where I saw the deer first when I was first walking here. So I think I'm gonna grab the camera quick. Let's go down that trail, see if maybe we can get a few shots of that light coming in, and then we'll come back here as the sun is coming up. We should get a little bit more light on this trail, I hope, or this section of the trail anyways. So yeah, let's go over there for a few minutes. Okay, so this is what I was saying. Found the shot. Gotta be quick though. So we got the little bridge right in front of the camera here. I am shooting directly into the sun, which is what everyone tells you not to do. And that's why I don't ever listen to anyone. We got a lot of sun flare going on. If there was mist, that would be a lot better. But like I said, I'm not out here to get really portfolio shots. I'm just out here to take photos and enjoy myself. So this is it. This is what we got. Little bridge here. So the sun peeking through. Let's try f13. I want the sun star. Maybe f13. Focus in. 2-second delay. Okay. So the sun literally, that hasn't even been 60 seconds. The sun is now, I don't get that sun star anymore. So literally you just saw, only had that amount of time where the sun was right between two trees coming in at us. So it's no longer the same photo. That's how quick the light will change out here. So if you're new to photography, keep that in mind. Okay, so I didn't really find anything else. Well, I took one photo. The light was coming down on a tree. So yeah, the light is shifting. Can't really find too much else. Well, that's not true. I just found the shot. Okay, I lied. There's light coming down on this little leaf right here. Let me see if I can get a shot here. Gotta get the composition set up though. There we go. So, all right, it's already changed. Now you can see all this is lit up. Let me show you the photo. So basically, just had the light coming in on this leaf right here. I might crop just this area in post and kind of get rid of all this. Yeah, I mean, this light is changing so fast. Now, the scene ain't even like that. Now it's all lit up here, and it's literally only been a minute, maybe 2 minutes. Yeah, so this light is changing so quick. Let's just go back up to where I was. It's literally right there. And let's chat about something. My new channel I started. Yes, I started a new YouTube channel, and I will put the link below. That channel is going to be all about camping, overlanding in my car, exploring, all of that stuff. I love that stuff just as much as photography, and it's going to be great because while I'm traveling, I can make those types of videos, and then I can also make these types of videos in some of the best places around. So I am really excited about that. Back to this photo, we're starting to get a little bit of light coming this way onto the trees. Sun's still got to come up a little bit higher. We're a little bit higher elevation right here, so yeah. Ooh, we got some light over there. I have like ADD to the max when I'm out in these places. Ooh, there's a nice photo. See the lights coming in. Look at this. The light's coming in on these little trees right here. If you just look at that, yeah, you can see that right there. I might grab that shot real quick. So we just have the light coming right across here, and I'm focused in on the tree, f11.4. I'm at ISO 250 because it is pretty dark in here. 2-second delay. You know. Let's see if we just shift the camera around. Maybe something like that. Get both of the trees. We get something like this. We got both of the trees here. Focus in there. Yeah, let's do that right there. Focus in there. 2-second delay. Oh, I think we're getting a little bit of light onto here. So let's see how this is working out. I just stopped recording and getting the light in. So let me go ahead, let me get this set better. Yeah, this is what I want right here. I will show you guys this in 1 second, but I don't want to miss a shot. Okay, yeah, so here's what we got. We had a little light here, which is already starting to, it's basically already gone. And we got a little bit of light on this tree here, and I'm just focused in right on that. F14 to ISO 250.6, and I was just playing around with the focal length. I'm not sure what I like the best, but I like this one right here. And just focus in right about there. 2-second delay. I did take one photo landscape style, but nothing too special. I just wanted to have it because I was out here. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it. It was really good just getting out here for a few hours, listening to the birds, breathing in the fresh air, and just like slowing down for a few minutes. But anyways, yeah, so just a reminder, I'll leave a link to my new channel, Kula Roads, down below. And I guess I will see you guys in the next video. All right, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. See you on the next one.